What you can see here is the login form to access the administration panel of my personal web server. The reason why we are here is that we are going to build an online store based on osCommerce technology. Unlike Shopify or Volusion, osCommerce is not a hosted solution. This means that to create a store with osCommerce, you need a web server to upload the system and properly install it. We are now logging in. The administration panel is called the cPanel. The cPanel is a very good software to control, to administer web servers, among others because it has a special option which is usually called one-click installation. One-click installation is in fact not just one click, it's, as you will see very soon now, it usually includes several clicks and some information to be typed in. But anyway, this is an application that speeds up very much installation of a number of web applications. To access one-click installation, I have to scroll down and use Fantastico Deluxe. Fantastico Deluxe is one-click installer. On the left-hand side you can see the list of various web applications that can be installed one click on my web server right now. These applications include such popular titles like WordPress, Joomla, PHP Nuke, and many more. Here there are three e-commerce applications. My favorite one is osCommerce. Click on it. It's not enough to install. I have right here the option for a new installation, and now a few options to fill in. So first of all, I will choose my domain, frankik.name, install in directory store, okay, administrator username, it will be admin, password Elvis, of course, shop name Christmas Bells, owner's name Jarek, my email address, once again the same email address, and the remaining options may remain intact. This is another click and one final click which will finish the installation and make osCommerce installed in the system and available to use. We are right now just one click away, so let's do this click, and here it is, osCommerce installation. Comparing with Shopify or Volusion, the graphical design is perhaps not that good. The features are much more modest, but still it is a fully functional online store created just in seconds. Let's click on something, let's say Samsung Galaxy tab. This is the product page. We can add it to the cart, okay, checkout, we can register as a new customer, fill in all the information, filling it in. Now my information is complete, so continue. The account has been just created, continue. Shipping address is fine, shipping method is fine, no comments. Let's continue. Payment method, I will choose cash on delivery because it's the simplest solution for us now. Continue, confirm order, and the order has been processed and it's now stored in the system. back to the home page, we will now go to the administration panel of this program and have a look at the order which we have just created. We will have a look as the administrator of this website would normally look. Okay, so we're going to the administration site is simply the URL of the store /admin, so it's frankic.name/store/admin. Here we are, let's log in. Okay, and now from the menu on the left hand side I will choose customers, and once again customers, and here I can, for example, browse and even edit the customer information provided by the client a few minutes ago. Okay, I can also browse the orders, okay, and for example, this is ready for printing out the invoice, okay, and I also have a packing slip also ready to print out and stick it to the parcel. So this is actually a complete solution which makes it possible to start a fully functional small online store. We'll now go into the catalog, categories and products. We already have several categories here. I will create a new category of course, Christmas decorations. Okay, save it, and our Christmas decoration category appeared in the list of categories. Now I will click on another category and I will delete them one by one, so that to remove all the default stuff available in the system just after installation. Each deletion requires 3 consecutive clicks, but now it's done. Let's add a new product. Date available, it's available already. We have some new options here. Product name, Green Bird Christmas Decoration. Products, tax class, taxable. Okay, product price, net, $4.99. Sorry, it should be gross. $4.99. The net price is automatically calculated here. Product description, our usual lorem ipsum text. Product quantity, let's put a high number of 100. Products model, product image, it was the green one. Product weight, okay, save it, and we have the first of our products. Now let's go back to the store, and our Green Bird Christmas decoration is already here. We can also browse the categories which are here. It's not a very good design and not a very good navigation, but it works. Christmas decorations. There are no products available in this category. I must have done something wrong, sorry. So let's get back to admin site, catalog, categories, products, Apparently I have created this product outside any category, so I will now choose the move option to move this product to Christmas decorations category. And now let's get back to the store, the actual store, category of Christmas decorations, and here it is. This product is, compared to especially Shopify but also Volusion, a little bit primitive. So that, for example, if I click here, you can see that the photo that I provided is a bit oversized. So actually, before including this photo into the product description, you should change the dimensions of this photography. This is now the updated version of our online store with all three of our products, and all the pictures actually are provided in the proper resolution. So it looks now much better, I think. Okay, compared to either Shopify or Volusion, design of osCommerce is not so good, and it is generally much more modest solution in terms of features. But the substantial difference is that osCommerce is not hosted by any external company. It's stored entirely in your own web server, and you have the full access to its source code. As osCommerce is an open source application, you are also entitled to any modification or extension to be performed directly on the application's code rather than by installing add-ons. Thank you for listening.